Hello there. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about warping. It's a mem thing. Believe it or not, it's crazy. But to keep my even tension, we have our warping device here running through our threads through under and over a couple of rods. And I'm doing 4 ends per inch, and I'm warping up 2 inches at a time onto my sectional beam. So I've put one thread through here between each inch marker just to keep it organized. I run it through these small reeds and through another tensioning device, and this really doesn't create any tension. This is what's really creating a tight warp. I brought it on through here and wrapping it on. However, what I really wanted to show you today was my little Amazon find, thanks to my husband. It's a counter. He's mounted it to my loom, and every time it goes around, it counts for me. And since I am doing 39 wraps on this sectional beam, that's just a lot of counting to do. So as you see, here it comes. There's a little pin, the screw he's put in there, and it ticks it off every time, and I get my counting accurate. So that's my little tip of the day. Don't be afraid to screw on a counter onto your loom and have it do the counting. Now the bonus point to all of this is we have another counter here that as I weave off of this loom, it will count off how many times we've gone around, so I will know how much is left on my warp as I progress and don't have to do all the calculations. I hope this helps you. Let me know, like, share. Also, just as a side note, we got these off of Amazon. I have my little helper here. And I think we paid under $4 Amazon Prime, no shipping. It did come from China, so it took about 2 months to arrive, but well worth it. Hope you have a great day and happy weaving.